Dear students, this is a question from your exercise 12.1. The question given here to find the equation of the straight line containing the point 3, 2 and making a positive equal intersect on axis. The word axis meant for both x-axis and y-axis. So you can see the equation of the line, it will be the equation here, the positive, therefore this will be, and showing an equal intercept with this. Okay. So if you take positive intercept, this is as you got here equal intercept. Similarly, if you take here like that, it comes here, this is you can say positive intercept and it is given the point. Similarly, this can be also a positive intercept. However, this is applicable here in this question. The point is lies in between 3, 2, probably coming here 3, 2. So how to find the equation of this line? To find out this, first of all, you have to find out the angle. What is the angle it forms here? The angle forming, it is this angle, it makes an equal angle. It is 45 degree, this is 90 degree, therefore 45 degree. What is the angle made here? If this is 45, this is 135 degree. So, if you find the slope of the line, ME is equal to tan theta and tan 45, since the theta angle of inclination, if you see this side it is 45 degree, so this will be tan 45 degree. Okay, so this is equal to 1, therefore tan 135 degree is equal to minus tan 45 degree. So this is equal to minus 1. So you got slope of the line is equal to minus 1. Therefore the equation of the line is y minus y1 into equal to m into x minus x1. So you can put here y minus, the coordinate of this point is given 3, 2, so y minus 2 into m is minus 1 into x minus 3. The equation you got y minus 2 equal to minus x plus 3, or the equation of the line is x plus y equal to 5. This is your answer. Okay, the next question we have now to discuss, question number 34 of same exercise. Find the equations of the diagonals of a rectangle whose sides are having the equations x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 6. Children, first of all, draw a rectangle to show the lines as per the given. So it is given x is equal to minus 1. So line will be, you can take here, it is parallel to, if you show here, it is parallel to x-axis. Let us show, this is with the, you can show it, x is equal to minus 2. So suppose this is, if I say x is equal to minus 1, okay, x is equal to minus 1, this, and this will be x is equal to 1 minute, sorry, this will be your y is equal to minus 2, because this comes here on x-axis. Suppose if you draw the axis, you can find this. Okay, so this let us take here. So y is equal to minus 2, this is probably, this is say minus 2, so minus 2, and this is y is equal to plus 6, let us take this is 6. So therefore you will be getting, if it is here similarly, this is x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. So the line will be starting from this side, if you say. So this side, if you take Okay, the figure you have to modify, the change this one. Otherwise, you can. Okay, so the question here, you got x is, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Okay, so it is given in the question x is -1. So x is -1, therefore the line is parallel to y-axis. X is 2, parallel to y-axis again, and at a distance positive side 2 units. This is your 1. Y is equal to -2. The line will be parallel to x-axis and is at a distance 2 units from x-axis. Therefore, it will be -2 here. The line you got this one. The line parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to 6. Therefore, it will be parallel to x-axis, and this is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. So this is parallel to x-axis. So the required figure is this one. This is your figure. Okay, let us name this A, B, C and D. So A, B, C, D is your required rectangle. Okay, it is asked, first of all, let us find out the coordinate of A. Coordinate A equal to how much? It will be, this is, so therefore the coordinate of A will be here -1, 6. Coordinate B will be 2, 6. Coordinate C will be here, this is -2, therefore -2. This is from x-axis, y-axis it is downward -2, so for 2, 2. Similarly, coordinate of D, it will be negative side, so therefore it is -1, this side -1 and -2. So it is -1, -2. So these are the 4 coordinates of the vertices of the rectangle. You have to find the equation of the diagonal. So let us find out the diagonal AC. The slope of diagonal AC equal to, as you know, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is equal to, you can take, you are taking AC, this line. So this line is your AC line. You may take here, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Therefore, you can find out -2 minus 6 by x2, that is 2, minus of -1. So what did you get? -8 by +3. So this is your 8 by 3 equal, this you got. The slope of line AC is -8 by 3. Therefore, the equation of line at the diagonal AC equal to y2, y minus y1, m into x minus x1. So what you find out? Y as the value, you can take one of the coordinate, you can take either this one or this one. One of this you can take to find. So implies y minus, I am taking this coordinate, so -2 equal to slope I got -8 by 3 into x as it is, x1 is 2. So if you cross multiply and simplify, you get that 3y plus 6 equal to -8x plus 16. So what did you get after that? 8x plus 3y is equal to 10. So this is your equation of this line AC. Similarly, you can find out by choosing the coordinate of D and B. Find out the slope of the line BD and also find out the equation of line BD by using the same formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Thank you.